Welcome. In the previous video in chapter 6, we learned about the method for collecting data. And in this video, we will learn about type of data. And there are two types of data that we will learn, the discrete and the continuous data. So the first type, the discrete data, is data that you can obtain by observing, by seeing, or something that you already know. And usually, discrete data is a whole number. And here several examples. Number of students in a class. By seeing your class, you can see how many students are there. And number of cars in school area. And by seeing the parking lot in your school area, you can count how many cars there are. And the number of apples in a box. By look at the box, you can count. And you can see how many apples are there. And the last example is shoe size. So shoe size is predetermined. In our country, we use 40, 41, 42 and etc. But in some country, they use like 6, 6.5, 5.5, etc. Which is not a whole number. But still, this is still including as discrete data because it's predetermined. Now, for continuous data is data that you can obtain, but you have to measure them first. And the example like time, length, height, weight, and even our age is an example of continuous data. Like time to run 100 meters, we use stopwatch to measure it. Length of a car in the school area, we also have to measure it. Height of a building in neighborhood, also we must measure them. And this picture shows the example of continuous data. So here another video I got from other sources about example of discrete and continuous data.
Let's look at two examples and see the difference between these two types of data. Let's talk about your family. With your family, the family members would be discrete because you have 5 family members. The continuous data is that they range in height between 5 feet and 6 feet. Next, let's talk about books. Books on your bookshelf. The discrete data would be you have exactly 6 books. The continuous data would be the books range from 15 to 30 centimeters in length.
So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.